Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what would you like to say today? What would you like to say today?
Today I will be talking about verb, three sense and six types.
Okay, very good. So let's get started.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mashrufa. Today I will be talking about verb, three sense and six types. So let's get started. He is a doctor. He was a doctor. He will be a doctor. Six types. He is a doctor. He isn't a doctor. Is he a doctor? Isn't he a doctor? Why is he a doctor? Why isn't he a doctor? He was a doctor. He wasn't a doctor. Was he a doctor? Wasn't he a doctor? Why was he a doctor? Why wasn't he a doctor? He will be a teacher. He won't be a teacher. Will he be a teacher? Won't he be a teacher? Why will he be a teacher? Why won't he be a teacher?
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Is there anyone? Okay, so what would you like to say today?
Today I will be talking about do verb.
So let's get started.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talking about do verbs, three sense and six types. Three sense. I go, I went, I will go. Six types. I go, I don't go, do I go, don't I go, why do I go, why don't I go. I will go, I won't go, will I go,
Loudly.
won't I go, why will I go, why won't I go. So that's all about. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
not bad. So another one who like this today? Please. Is there anyone like to say? Okay, and which verse would you like to say?
I would like to say ing from three sense and six types.
Okay, so please carry on.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Tasnuba Rahman Arabia. Today I will to be talking about three sense and six types of ing from. Let's start. I am creating video. I was creating video. I will be creating video. Now six types. I am creating video. I am not creating video. Am I creating video? I am not creating video. Why am I creating video? Why am I not creating video?
Okay, in the past tense.
Since I was creating video, I wasn't creating video. Was I creating video? Wasn't I creating video? Why was I creating video? Why wasn't I creating video?
Okay, in the future tense, but in different verbs. In different verbs.
I will be playing. I won't be playing. Will I be playing? Won't I be playing? Why will I be playing? Why won't I be playing?
Very good, excellent. Is there anyone who would like to? Okay, great. In which verb do you want to say?
I would like to say have verb, three sense and six types.
Okay, very good. Please carry on.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Humaira. Today I will be talking about have verb, three sense and six types. So let's get started. Now three sense. I have gone. I had gone. I will have gone. Now six types. I have gone. I haven't gone. Have I gone? Haven't I gone? Why have I gone? Why haven't I gone? Past tense. I had gone. I hadn't gone. Had I gone? Hadn't I gone? Why had I gone? Why hadn't I gone? I will have eaten. I won't have eaten. Will I have eaten? Won't I have eaten? Why will I have eaten? Why won't I have eaten? Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you very much. Is there anyone who would like to say from another verse?
Assalamu alaikum, this is Fatima. Today I will be talking about have verb as main verb, three sense and six types. I have a book, I don't have a book, do I have a book, don't I have a book, why do I have a book, why don't I have a book. First, I had a book, I didn't have a book. Did I have a book, didn't I have a book, why did I have a book, why didn't I have a book. Future, I will have a book, I won't have a book, will I have a book, won't I have a book, why will I have a book, why won't I have a book.
Okay, that's great, really amazing. See,